like
Anybody
maybe,
that
maybe
snores is a heavy sleeper.
It depends.
Do you think?
yeah,
It
I believe.
depends,
I think.
Because for you to reach that level of snoring,
snoring.
it means that you're gone.
I don't think so.
What do you think?
I don't think so. I just feel like that person is really tired.
It's a lie.
No.
It's not only tiredness that can make
There's
someone to
a
snore.
tired snoring, there's a snoring. You
And
know,
then there is
anytime
also late
the person
eating
wants to snore.
snoring.
There's what?
Late eating snoring.
What is that?